Hi, I'm Marley Schmidt, and I'm doing my nonfiction mini lesson on Bravo, Poems About Amazing Hispanics, written by Margarita Engel and illustrated by Rafael Lopez. The objective would be, after reading an assigned poem from the book Bravo, Poems About Amazing Hispanics, written by Margarita Engel and illustrated by Rafael Lopez, students will be able to present to the class 3 facts about their Hispanic historian and how their actions still affect our world today. My goal is to help them build skills regarding using evaluating and analyzing poems and how the people have changed our world today. The Common Core standard for this mini lesson is CCSS.ELA-literacy.R14.1. And this is refer to details and examples in a text when explaining what the text says explicitly and when drawing inferences from the text. The required preparation is that students should receive the book, Bravo, Poems About Amazing Hispanics, before coming into class. The connection is that I will ask students to recall what they already know about their assigned Hispanic historian just by looking at the illustration. After they have had time to make a prediction about their historian, I will ask them to think of a time when they have used their eyes to make a prediction about someone before speaking to them. I will then give them the example of how when we see tall people, we will always make a prediction that they play basketball. For a demonstration, I will assign myself one of the poems from the book and show my students how to make a prediction by using the illustrations. I will read the poem out loud and write down 3 facts on a poster-sized paper that I learned from reading the poem. I will also write down how this person's actions still affect us today. The active engagement for this mini lesson will be to have students read a poem that is assigned to them from the book. Students will look at the illustration and make a prediction about what that person did. They will then read the poem and tell the class 3 facts about their Hispanic historian that the poem talks about and how their actions still affect us today. The link is that when all of the students have told us a little bit about their Hispanic historian, we will have a class discussion about whether the predictions that they made about their person were correct or incorrect. I will hang the poster on the wall so that the students can use it as a reference in the future if needed. If students have disabilities that make it difficult for them to read, I will partner them up with someone who does not have that disability, and I will have them share a poem so that the work is kind of cut even. I will assess the students' success in this mini lesson by their ability to find 3 facts about their Hispanic historian and how their actions still affect us today.